making an adorable Easter Deco mesh centerpiece. What you will need, I have a smaller 8-inch wreath ring, this adorable little sign. I have 6-inch mesh in yellow and white, Chanel stems, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to take my yellow mesh, I'm going to place it in the first space and tie it in a knot. Now you can spray paint this wreath ring white or yellow if you choose to do so. I'm just going to pull my mesh through the first space and the second space, just like that, and scrunch. Twist it a couple of times. The inner space again, and then the outer space. And I'm making 2 loops. Just try to make your loops as uniform as possible. If they're not the exact same, that's okay. And I'm just going to continue doing this. So I make my loops. I scrunch. Then I twist a couple of times. And keep doing this all the way around the wreath. That's 2 sections. I'm going to just continue on with my last section. If you want it even thicker or poofier or even larger than this, then just make your loops even larger. And you can also double layer the mesh as well. I do that sometimes. That way it makes it like a little thicker. Alright, so once you come to the end, I just cut my mesh off of the roll and I'm just twisting it a couple of times. And then I'm either going to just tuck it away or tie it in a knot, whichever you prefer. Just make sure it's secured away. Again, you can make it larger, smaller, whatever you prefer. Okay, so this is where you decide if you want it to be a mini wreath or if you want it to be a centerpiece. So with the little center that I have, if it's going to be a centerpiece, then it's going to just kind of stand right in the center, just like that. And then if it's going to be a mini wreath for, say, a window or a side door, anything like that, you will place the sign flat in the center, just like that. Or you can even interchange. It's completely up to you. You could even place it towards the back and add in a little candy in the front if you choose to do so. So I'm actually going to turn mine into a centerpiece just for this video. So I've twisted 2 stems together to form 1 long stem, and I'm just going to hot glue it to the very bottom of my sign. Again, if you were making a mini wreath, then you will hot glue the stems to the back of the sign. I will link videos in the description box down below showing you exactly how to do that. And now I'm going to just place it snugly in the center. I'll go ahead and push the stems through the bottom, just like that. Just like that. I'm going to come to the bottom, and then for extra security, I'm just going to twist them together. You don't have to do this step. You can just cut off the stem once you attach it to the wreath ring if you choose to do so. It's another option for you. I just figured, why not have extra security? Alright. I'm just kind of fluffing up my mesh. It looks so cute. You can add in more colors, you can add in more mesh, but this is just a quick and simple centerpiece. And you are all done. So cute, simple, quick, and easy to make. Perfect for a last minute party or any centerpiece table decor. whatever you prefer. You can definitely leave off the sign and add in like a bowl of jelly beans to the center. Possibilities are endless. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. This centerpiece is definitely very versatile. You can have the sign in the center. You can have flowers, styrofoam eggs. You can even add a little candy jar to the center. The possibilities are endless. Just have fun with it and make it your own.